Today we're here at Rubike. We've done many videos at this shop before. Rubike is a really good store here in China that does lots of Chinese brands such as Sava, InColor, and many others. If you haven't seen any of their videos, check them out on our channel. Today we're here to build my brand new bike, which is the Cannondale Lab71. We're gonna weigh it, check all the components, and add some Chinese touches to it. So come along with us, let's find out a bit more. All right, so here it is. This is not readily available in China. I've got the WOW colors. I wanted the pink one, but I saw this and it's got something quite unique to it. So let's open it up and see what we got. Check that out. That is light. Okay guys, so behind me is brother Zhangwei. You might remember him from the previous Rubike video. That's Xiaozhang, he works here. What we'll do is we will weigh every component and take a look at it, and then we'll go through the bike build. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. Let's get started. All right, so first let's take a look at this. That is absolutely beautiful. There's something kind of Lion King about it that I really like. It's got this, it's got the screws already in it and the little component. Let's check how much it weighs. 741.5 grams, which is really nice. And here we have the fork. So, like this little logo on the inside, it says Lab71. I think it looks super classy. And let's see how much that weighs. 379 grams. That's not bad, is it? All right, let's take a look at the wheels. All right, so I bought the Reserve 6754. Comes with whatever this is. Oh, that's nice. Here's the front wheel. It's a 57. And let's take a look at the back wheel. Back is a 64. Like these little carbon spokes. Aero. Supposedly these wheels are really good in crosswinds. Got really wide internal rim width at 25 millimeters, so they're optimized for 28 to 32 millimeter tires. So you get this kind of flush tire to rim ratio. Let's check how much they weigh. All right. All right, so I did say that there's going to be some Chinese touches on this bike. The bar that comes with the bike, the system bar, is not for me. It's a little bit too narrow and the stem's a bit short. I think it's 360 millimeters and 100 millimeter stem, but the reach on it is 80 millimeters, which is, for me, a bit too much. So I got this bar from CRW. It's a Chinese brand, and this has got a 70 millimeter reach on it, so I can stick a 100 millimeter bar, and it's 38 millimeters wide, which is perfect for me. Comes in a little bag. Oh, that's a nice bar. Super nice. I like the front of it. So let's see how much it weighs. $296 grams, which then ends up being about 60 or 70 grams lighter than the one that comes with the bike, the system bar. This also comes with some additional things like spacers and a Garmin mount. Let's see how much that weighs. 14 grams, wow. It's a lot lighter than the one that I have on my Canyon Aero. Here comes the kicker. I realized that the spacers on this don't match the Cannondale itself. So I had them 3D printed. So these, we sent off this is the dust cap from the Cannondale. We sent it to a 3D printing shop, and they printed these spacers for us, which are perfectly gonna fit on to the bike. I'm gonna show you a picture of another bike with the CRW on it, bar on it, which looks a bit weird. So I had these printed. Pretty excited about that. right, so here it is. Thank you, Brother Zhongwei, for building that for me. This video took 3 tries. We did it on 3 different days. There were some parts that didn't arrive. I'm going to test this bike out in another video, in our upcoming video, so stay tuned for reviews. We hope you enjoyed this bike build, and we'll see you next time. Bye.